Hello world, Becca here from Inside the Square. For today's tutorial, I'd like to show you how to change the color of the social icon on your Squarespace site and how to change the color when someone hovers over that particular icon. So right now, I'm in just my sample Squarespace site. I've got the main menu on the left, and I put some regular icons in the page content for us that you can see right here. These are just the various sizes. And you'll see when I mouse over it, it does a little spotlight technique. This is pretty standard for Squarespace. I'm going to hop in here really quickly and show you the details about these icons so you can see what we're working with. When I select edit, you can see I've got these icons center aligned, extra small options, but the style I've selected is regular. This is important. The code for this video is just for a regular icon, so make sure you've selected regular style. The color I've selected is dark, but you can switch that up to light or to standard. You can't see light because light would make it white and this is a white page background, but if we pick standard, it'll go with the brand colors for that particular social media channel. So that you can change to whatever you'd like, but the style for this tutorial and this code is regular. All right, I had 2 cups of coffee today. I'm gonna try to slow it down. I'm gonna select apply and select save. And let's get into that code. To change the CSS for your entire site, we'll go into design, and then custom CSS. Now beneath this video, there are 2 pieces of code, and the first one changes the color of the icon. So I'm just gonna paste that code right there, and you'll see they've all changed to that beautiful blue. The spotlight effect is no longer rendered, because right now we've just told Squarespace, no matter what happens, make sure that the fill is this color, okay? So I wanna make sure that people know when they've hovered over it, they're selecting it. So I'm going to change the hover color. This is the second piece of code beneath the video. I'll paste that here. And now, when I highlight over the icon, it'll change the color. Okay? So the 2 codes are beneath this video here. Again, these are for regular icons, and most important part ever, select save. Don't forget to save your work, okay? So again, to reach this menu, I'll go back here to the home page. From the standard menu, select design, and then select custom CSS. And that'll take you to this place where you can paste the icon code. For the normal color, change this right here to the hex code that you'd like. And then for the hover color, change this code right here. I've labeled them for you, but just wanted to point that out so you can see what we're adjusting. All right, after you make your change, select save and you'll be good to go. Have fun with your Squarespace site. If you liked this tutorial, you'll love my CSS cheat sheet. Copy and paste your way to a cooler website. Download it now at insidethesquare.co/CSS.